Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to send multiple photos on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Open the chat where you want to send the photos. Tap the attachment icon, paperclip, at the bottom of the screen. Select Gallery or Photos from the options. Choose multiple photos by tapping on them. A check mark will appear on each selected photo. Once you've selected all the photos you want to send, tap on the Send button. That's it. You've successfully sent multiple photos on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.